Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use the Telnet command on Linux. If you are on an RHEL-based distribution like Fedora or CentOS, follow these steps to install Telnet on your system. First, before installing Telnet, update the system's package index. Next, install the Telnet server packages using the following command. Then, run the following commands to launch and enable the Telnet service on your system. The next step is configuring the target system's firewall to accept Telnet connections. The default port is 23, but you can change this on the target system. However, we'll use the default port to demonstrate firewall configuration. For this, run the following command. Then, these commands will be applied, and the firewall rules will be reloaded to allow incoming Telnet connections. Now, you can enter the Telnet command in the terminal to enter the interactive Telnet mode. You can use this interactive shell to connect to remote servers, check the current status of the Telnet service, and run commands on connected systems. Once done, enter the quit command to leave the Telnet shell and terminate the session. Although not a secure option for establishing a remote connection, Telnet is a great way to check if a specific port is open on a server. Check if a certain port is answering any calls by specifying the port number in the command. Doing so allows you to see what's going on in a network and whether a port is responsive. For example, to check if port 22 is open on a server, run the following syntax. The connection breaks, which means that the specified port is not open. However, trying port 80 yields a different result. The output shows that the port has been open since the connection was established. After establishing the connection, you can download the HTML web page by running the following command. This allows you to save and inspect the source code, check it for errors, etc. The following output shows that the command has downloaded the homepage source code. Then, you can save the code to a file or inspect it in the terminal. Next, if you decide to use Telnet for remote connections despite its lack of security, do it by specifying the remote machine's IP address. Make sure that Telnet is installed on both machines and port 23 is allowed through the firewall on the remote machine. When prompted, enter the account username and password to log into the system. After logging in, you can operate the other machine remotely. After the connection is established, you are in control of the remote machine.